Hi, baby, hi! Wow! You eating lunch? Butterfly.
Where they do pan eyes? Where they do pan eyes? Where they do pan eyes? Oi, sir. Oi, sir. Where are you from? How are that? I passed the door that.
Yeah. Yaddy, 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 yaddy.
Everybody asks, who is it? Everybody wanna know, who is me? Everybody asks, who is it? Yeah, who is me? Danny British, driving Audis, couldn't drive cheap, too cheap. Burberry's on me, clocks on feet like a London street, you know see? 400 pound OG, ship it from the west, delivered in the east. Everywhere me go, you know me, have me thugs and with me. Y'all hide the condom, I say she want the picnic. Bob Marley, me, I move, me not touch with me. Burn a rape a boy and kill a boy, will touch pitney. Bad mind and corruption, fi flush quickly.
You show it, bro. Hold on. That don't flip. That you have to do. You have to set it. You have to set the money so. See it there now.
Yeah, live and direct again. You know, say your boy Danny British outside with the Empress. You get what I say? Who are vex? Make me catch a girl. I joke, me make. Yo, my daughter out there sleep. You don't know. Connect to the hotspots. You don't know. Say me I go check one of my G them down in the Bay area. Long time I not touching at the Bay. You get what I'm saying? So you don't know. Me have a style and profile when you go down in the Bay and you can't just go down in the Bay simply. You see me? I don't know, say we are real heavy G's in the streets, so you don't know anything, but we don't have to hide what we have. We have to go clean. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. Where have you said to them, Jella? Say, man, a Empress. Empress. Empress.
Always impressive.
Yeah, Empress always impressive. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Ain't no guessing, ain't no stressing. You know what I mean? Right now, your girl probably wondering if she's next in. But anyway, may I go and enjoy God's grace and blessing. You know what I'm saying? Till we reach my destination, you see me flick up the camera again. Until then. Yo, a joke of that, crackhead pipe smoke of that. Nah touch a crack, pills me now make it pop. Herbs me burning, studying and learning. All this swerving, when this road's curving, me smoke it and then me flow. Just down in on my Burberry trench coat. It's a rich rasta who no see.
Rich people them place. That me I show you. Speechless.
Next to me, weed and Hennessy. Big up all my friends them. Prosperity and blessing me I send them. No hesitation nor delay to defend them. Money can't make me change from my friend them. Under me her, smoke and tell them so high, flocking with birds. Calm down me nerves, thinking like nerds. My strand under me herbs. High in the sky like birds, high grade herbs. Calm down me nerves, high outside the universe. Under me herbs, high. Calm down me nerves. Sky. Yeah, outside. Don't know. There too. You know anyway me that the grill have to fire up. Don't know. You don't know so where we come round. Money have to spend. Joy for we and with friends.
Yes, we're back in. Chef, like the kitchen. Where the grill put our chicken. Frank. Yeah.
Go away.
you know, that's what you call real Jamaican jerk chicken, big homie. You see them Franks?
Franks, them pussy crap.
Them Italian.
Yeah. Fry fish pan deck like a Jamaican, then pre it now. Get a sample like that. Wow. Hot spot, we got a cup. Right, man. Just like Jamaica. Right. You see, I know if fish nice. You man, I say, I know if fish nice, man. Okay, if fish nice, man. Yeah. Yeah. On a grill. Jamaica's #1 chef. Yeah. Come on, now, me say a cook on need to cook on yourself.
I'm hungry.
Baby, where you going? No, baby, no, your socks don't get there to come. You know, you can't go down there. That's what I'm talking about. Sizzling, hot, off the grill. Yeah. I'm outside. Yeah. We deal with the grill. Proper. Yeah, man, proper. Me not hungry. No found hungry. Grill up. Yeah. Grill up, you think it full up. Well, the old zoom looks up. Old zoom looks up fuzzy just a while ago. Like it frost. Let's strip the air off of the car, you know? Roasted. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. And me a piece of fish figure with you. Yeah. Ocean front, the real ocean view. See the city there. Steam fish pan the deck. Check it out. Gopher. Yeah, you see that? A bus piece, like you see. Oh, pan I eat this right now. I fuck rainbow with the fish. The real fish up. Right from Jamaica. And just try a piece of it. No man, we left out too late for that happen, man. You can't live in a dream, you know. You can't live in a dream. Oh damn. See the water going on the side. Wow. It's snapping now. Yeah. Yeah, I ate that. Ate that. Outside, look it. Yeah, that's a relax set. Look it. See it? That's a relief in a brother. Yeah, she is the thing now. Come here. Come close.
Oh. Look at you guys.
This, the dearest mesh marina you ever see. Yeah, this is the half
Oh,
white.
wait, hold on. Who's the designer?
Virgil. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where is Virgil?